6 minus 2 gives us 4. And again 6 minus 2 gives us 4. And 4 times 4 is equal to 16. But this answer is not correct. And other people solve this problem differently. And what they do is they start from 6 and they subtract 2 and they multiply by 6 and subtract 2 again. So they move left to right. So let's do that way. And 6 minus 2 gives us 4. And 4 times 6 minus 2 is going to be the equation. And 4 times 6 gives us 24. And 24 minus 2 is equal to 22. But again, this answer is not correct. I'm just going to erase it. These two answers are not correct, not because we make a mistake in the calculation, but we didn't follow the right order when we are solving them. I'm going to introduce you a rule which most of you may recognize it, and we learned this back in high school, right? PEMDAS. So P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. So according to this rule, the first thing to solve is parentheses. After we solve all the parentheses, we have to move to exponent, right? So the first priority is parentheses, then exponent, and then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction at the end. According to this rule, if we solve subtraction before multiplication, that is wrong, right? Because clearly multiplication has greater priority than subtraction or addition. These are their priority 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 is prioritized, right? Multiplication and division is prioritized before addition or subtraction. So let's go back into our problem. So here we have one multiplication problem in the middle and two subtraction problem. So the first thing to solve is the multiplication, right? Because obviously multiplication have a higher priority than subtraction. So 2 times 6 gives us 12, and 6 minus 12 minus 2 is going to be the next equation, and 6 minus 12 gives us negative 6, and negative 6 minus 2 is equal to negative 8. So the final answer to this question is negative 8.